Hey guys, good afternoon. I'm just hanging out with Tristan right now. Everybody's home. We had spinach ravioli for dinner. It was good. Right now Tristan's getting bread out of the oven because I sent him to go get it. And is it done?
I think so. It smells done.
Did you get it out?
I didn't get it out.
Did you not want to eat it?
It's for Caleb, isn't it?
He said you could have one, I thought.
No, I don't know.
Whatever.
There's one left later. I'll get one.
Okay. But Tristan and I are about to watch some more Rules of Engagement. We're on season 5. Like, we're almost finished with it. So, yeah. But we're gonna get back to watching TV. He's looking at Voltron memes. I told him it's not a fandom he wants to join because he'll never be able to leave. So yeah.
No, just anytime you look at home memes, guys.
So yeah. But I'll see you guys in a little bit. Come here. Nope, you're going for
Trying to eat the finger.
What do you do? You don't. Where you out?
Come here.
On my shoulder. So that's how I started with this one, and I'm like, way up here. I'm like, I can't drive with you there, and I had to kind of fight. Yeah, right. Hey, are you all eating my toast now?
Hey guys, good afternoon. So I'm gonna explain the last clip because I guess it doesn't really make any sense. I go to Anita's house after school and I let her dogs out and stuff, so she got a new dog. And she brought it over here so I could get to meet the little dog and she could tell me what I needed to do to let it go out and stuff, since it's only 9 weeks old, I think. So yeah, so that kind of explains the clip. We were just playing with the puppy. But I think that's all that I did, besides, obviously watch TV. So yeah. They haven't decided a name for the puppy, so that was pretty interesting. We were trying to come up with names while we were talking to her, because she has baby girl and Bella, so she's trying to come up with a B name for the little boy. So yeah. But there isn't any comments, and the question of the day is, what should she name the dog? So yeah. I know that we were talking, I forget what it was, what we were talking about. We joked about the name Blaze, but no, I forget what we're calling him Little Man because he was a little puppy. So yeah. But comment down below, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.